In the rapidly evolving world of online learning, creating free courses has become increasingly popular due to its accessibility and affordability. Fortunately, there are numerous platforms available that allow you to create and share your knowledge for free. In this step-by-step guide, we'll explore the top 18 websites to create free online courses in 2024. 1. Udemy. Udemy is a well-known platform that allows you to create and sell your courses. However, you can also offer them for free. The platform provides a wide range of features, including video hosting, quizzes, and certificates. 2. Coursera. Coursera is a popular platform that offers courses from top universities and organizations worldwide. While most courses require payment, Coursera also offers some courses for free. 3. edX. edX is a nonprofit organization that provides free online courses from top universities such as Harvard, MIT, and Berkeley. The platform offers interactive learning experiences, quizzes, and assessments. 4. Khan Academy. Khan Academy provides free educational resources in various subjects including math, science, and humanities. The platform offers interactive exercises, videos, and quizzes. 5. OpenLearn. OpenLearn is a free learning platform from the Open University in the UK. The platform offers a wide range of courses in various subjects, including business, health, and technology. 6. Allison. Allison is an e-learning platform that provides free courses in various subjects such as business, technology, and health. The platform offers interactive learning experiences, quizzes, and assessments. 7. FutureLearn. FutureLearn is a social learning platform that offers free courses from top universities worldwide, such as Cambridge and St. Andrews. The platform provides interactive learning experiences, quizzes, and assessments. 8. Canvas Network. Canvas Network is a nonprofit organization that provides free online courses from top universities such as Rice University and University of Colorado Boulder. The platform offers interactive learning experiences, quizzes, and assessments. 9. Open Culture. Open Culture is a website that provides free educational resources in various subjects such as literature, history, and philosophy from top universities worldwide, such as Yale and Princeton. 10. Codecademy. Codecademy provides free coding courses in various programming languages such as Python, JavaScript, and Ruby. The platform offers interactive learning experiences and quizzes to test your skills. 11. Duolingo. Duolingo provides free language courses in various languages such as Spanish, French, and German, using interactive exercises and games to make learning fun and engaging. 12. TED-Ed. TED-Ed provides free educational videos on various subjects such as science, technology, and social studies for students of all ages, using engaging animations and visuals to explain complex concepts. 13. Skillshare. Skillshare provides free online classes in various subjects such as design, photography, and business, using video lessons from industry experts worldwide. 14. Udacity. Udacity provides free nano degrees in various fields such as data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence, using project-based learning experiences to help students gain practical skills. 15. Coursera Project Network. Coursera Project Network provides free project-based courses in various fields such as data science and software engineering, using real-world projects to help students gain practical skills in collaboration with industry partners worldwide. 16. Google Digital Garage. Google Digital Garage provides free online courses in various digital marketing skills, such as SEO, PPC advertising, and social media marketing, using video lessons from Google experts worldwide. 17. Microsoft Learn. Microsoft Learn provides free online courses in various Microsoft technologies, such as Azure Cloud Computing Services, using interactive learning experiences with hands-on labs to help students gain practical skills in collaboration with Microsoft experts worldwide. 18. Pluralsight. Pluralsight provides free online courses in various IT skills such as cybersecurity, cloud computing services, using video lessons from industry experts worldwide, using its IQ test to recommend personalized learning paths based on your skill level.